Good morning, everybody. My name is Praveen Agarwal. I am from PDP Department of Access Colleges. Today, I am going to discuss a very interesting topic, that is fluency. Most of the time, it happens that we want to speak up English like our mother tongue. We want to become an orator. We listen to our favorite celebrities and we have this impression that they will come soon when we will be able to speak up like them. So what we do, first of all, we start following their fashion statement. We want to look like our celebrities. It starts happening. Why? Because buying expensive clothes and following fashion statement of celebrities is not very difficult. But the moment you decide to speak up like your favorite celebrities, your life become hell. Why? Because you are not that much fluent as you find them. For example, I am a die-hard fan of Amit Ji. Whenever I see the way he speaks up, I find it's very fascinating way. But suppose if I want to speak up like Amit Ji, things will be not that much easy as it seems. Why? Because buying spectacles like Amit Ji won't be that much difficult. Wearing clothes like Amit Ji won't be that much difficult. For that, I need to have a very good bank balance, and I will be able to do so. But speaking like Amit Ji will be very difficult. I have seen a number of girls, they follow the fashion statement of Alia Bhatt. But following fashion statement of Alia Bhatt is not that much difficult. Why? Because you have to buy expensive clothes. But the moment you are asked to speak up like Alia Bhatt, things are not that much easy. What you should do. So first of all, I tell you like what you people do and what you are supposed to do. The moment you decide to be a very fluent speaker, you join institute. You join institute, you have got a lot of enthusiasm, you start attending their classes. The very first thing they are going to be taught is grammar. And the way they teach grammar is sometimes literally very weird. Why? Because they teach you grammar through Hindi method. They ask you to follow tati, te, raha, rahi, rahe, chuka, chuki rule. You take their words very seriously. They start giving you new words every day and you mug up those words. You take their words that much seriously as like you go through Bible or you go through Ramayana. You spend a month, 2 months, 3 months, and after that you find things are becoming monotonous and there is no change in your personality. Why it happens? It happens because you are following the wrong method. So today what I'll do, I'll tell you 2 or 3 things. Just follow those rules. You'll find you're getting changed day by day. The very first thing you need to do is start listening to your favorite celebrities. Do not follow the fashion statement of Alia Bhatt only. Do not follow the fashion statement of Kirti Senan. Don't try to become Ranbir Kapoor or Ranbir Singh all the time. Just try to listen to the way they speak up. When you start listening to them, you'll find like they use very easy sentences. They use very easy grammar. And they focus on their ideas that you hardly do, because most of the time you start paying attention towards your grammar. You try to form sentences, and believe me, it happens. I have come across a number of aspirants. Whenever they speak up, they are fighting while forming sentences. It all happens because they have been taught a very rigid way of forming sentences. Don't do it. Develop the habit to listen to your favorite celebrities. And the moment I say celebrities, I'm not talking about only film stars. You may listen to politicians, you may listen to cricketers. For example, start listening to Mahendra Singh Dhoni. You'll find Mahendra Singh Dhoni is an excellent speaker. And initially when he had started playing, he was not very good at English. But it happens in Indian cricket team. If you want to become a captain, a very impressive captain, you need to know English. That's been accepted by Kapil Dev in past. So I don't want to get into a debate whether for becoming a good cricketer you need to know English or not. That's a big debate. I don't want to get involved in it. But develop the habit to listen to your favorite celebrities. And there's one more term that's known as paraphrasing. Paraphrasing means whenever you try to explain whatever you've been told and whatever you have comprehended, that's known as paraphrasing. So develop the habit to paraphrase. Whatever you have got, try to explain. And the moment you say try to explain, do not speak in your mind. It happens with us a number of times whenever we say like, man mein bol raha hoon. No, you don't have to do. Try to be expressive. Try to become a bit louder and express things. You'll find you're improving. And try to do all weird things that I have been doing. I have got a bad habit to talk to myself. Every day I keep on imagining that the day will come soon when I will giving interview either to Karan Johar or Karan Thapar, and they'll be asking question how, and I'll be answering their questions, and that imagination gives me a lot of energy. So it's the same thing you have to do. So the very first thing what you need to do, you have to develop the habit to listen to your favorite celebrities, and at least spend 14-15 minutes every day to listen to your favorite celebrities. You'll find they use very easy words, very easy sentence construction skills they've got. And one more thing you'll learn, like how to answer a question. One of the celebrities I may tell you is Shah Rukh Khan. Listen to him. He's an excellent speaker. He's very down to earth, and the way he answers questions, it seems that he is a mind-blowing person. Though I don't want to comment on his acting skills because I'm not an actor, but I really admire Shah Rukh Khan's communication skills. So first, develop the habit to listen to your favorite celebrities, and the second stage you need to follow is paraphrasing. Whatever you get, try to explain. And nowadays things are not that much difficult as it used to be in past. Like you've got your own mobile phone, so whatever you're going to speak up, record, listen, and things will start becoming easy. The next thing you may do, develop the habit to read some stuff. And now the question arises, like what you should do to improve your reading skills. So you have always been told like you should start going through the Hindu. The Hindu is one of the best newspapers, that's true, but if you want to improve your literary skills, maybe it won't work out. So you may start going through novel, and the writer that I'm going to recommend is Chetan Bhagat. If you have just started, so start going through the novels of Chetan Bhagat. You'll find like he uses very easy sentences. You'll start getting those sentences. Moreover, you'll develop the habit to read. You'll start taking interest. So first thing, start listening to your favorite celebrities. The second thing, comprehend whatever they are speaking up, then try to paraphrase, try to explain what they were speaking up. The next thing you need to do is start going through some interesting novels, and you may go through the novels of Chetan Bhagat. There are a number of wonderful novels of Chetan Bhagat are available in the market, so start going through those novels. So first do these two things, and in my next video I'll explain you some more things, some more interesting facts by which you will be able to become a very fluent speaker. Okay, till the time, bye bye, see you very soon.